will be coming to a screen near you really soon. So let's see what I got for ice cream. Ice cream is a makeup, pretty much makeup only box. They don't send potions and lotions too much. I don't know if it's gone up a little bit. It used to be $21 plus shipping and ended up $30-ish. I don't remember if it went up to $35 or not, but last time I looked it was still $30, but I haven't looked in a little bit. So you get a little card telling you what everything is. Looks like it's St. Patty's Day stuff. And then these little things are really cool. They look like styrofoam, but if you put them in water, they dissolve. So they're bio-friendly. But there's a ton of them in here, so I gotta dig through them and find the goodies underneath. Okay, we have Earth Harbor Marina. Biome Brightening Ampule. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Some kind of face stuff that I just lied and said they don't usually have this kind of stuff. And here they're going to have it. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what this is. Yeah, it looks like it's some kind of let's see what it says on the card. It's some kind of face drop stuff. Earth Harbor Marina Bio Brightening Ampule, $40. It still doesn't say what it is though. But I imagine it's some kind of a skin rejuvenating drop stuff. I don't know. But they made a liar out of me because I said they always have makeup, and first thing I pulled wasn't makeup. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's some other thing that's not makeup. What's the deal? I don't like this. I liked them because they only had makeup. Pore face primer, pore something primer. So I guess it is makeup. It's a makeup primer. Perfecting. Oh, no wonder I couldn't read it. It's P-O-U-R-fecting, like perfecting, only perfecting. No, P-O-R-E-fecting. That's what I meant. Yeah. Anyway, perfecting. Evid Beauty Perfecting Primer, $30. So we're already up to $70. I don't know how they get the value on these things though. Let's see. There's almost 100% of the time to get a palette. But I'm going to do it. I always save those for last. So I'll pull that out. We'll do that in a little bit. What else? There should be one more thing in here. Oh, here it is. They're stuck together. It's got tape on it, but it's a eyeshadow crayon in green. I needed that for my St. Patty's Day collab that I just did where I did green eyeshadow. Crown Pro Eye Crayon, $10. So now we're up to $80 in value. Here is something. All nice and bubble wrap to keep it safe. Hikari Matte Bronzer. I put a Hikari. I have some Hikari. I usually like it. If I can get the box open. Come out. There we go. Doesn't look like a bronzer. It looks like a blush, but I don't know. It's kind of, look at it. It's kind of an interesting pink and brown pattern in it. I have to try that, see what it looks like. Blushing bronzer. Oh, so that's interesting. Use it as a bronzer and blush, I guess. $23. So what did I say we were at? So now we're at 103. And there's still the palette to go. Last but not least, I always do these last because to me the palette's always the best thing, so I save the best for last. So when you're doing like opening presents, do you save the one you think is going to be the best one for last, or do you go right for the good one right off the get-go? And like food, do you save your best thing for last? Are you I don't know what made me think of this, but are you a no food can touch person? Some people like that in my family where, you know, everything has to be kept totally separate. And me, I'll mix my peas in with my mashed potatoes or whatever. I don't care. So this is LA Splash Golden Gatsby. There's the box. And there's the palette. And, ooh, there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes and 4 shimmers. They have names like old-timey stuff from the 20s or whatever. Mary Pickford, Hotsy Totsy, Zuzzled, Speakeasy, Mint Julep, Old Fashioned, Highball. Anyway, here's what they look like. Aren't those pretty? I could have used those 2 greens too. There's a black for the corner, a dark brown, lighter brown, a white-ish one, and these pretty sparkly ones. It's a very nice palette. So we have, let me see how much the palette was worth. Because we were up to 106 or something. I forget where we were up, just over 100. Oh, and the palette's 34. So this is, according to their prices, this is worth around $140 for, it was either 30 or 35. So the palette, this interesting blush bronzer thing. Some kind of serum. That may go in a giveaway because I don't ever use that kind of stuff. A primer. I don't use primer, but I probably should. It makes stuff last longer. And a green eye crayon. So I think this is well worth. Oh, the primer, this fell out. It's just so interesting looking to me. I mean, I don't know how well you can see it, but you can see the brown mixed in with the pink. So it's a bronzery blusher thing. So I've quit doing Ipsy a long time ago because all you get is these itty-bitty samples unless you do the more expensive Ipsy. And so I just ditched Ipsy a couple years ago. And then I was doing BoxyCharm for a while and it got so it's all skincare. And I should care for my skin better than I do, but I don't. Hello, dogsters. Hey, don't knock the camera over. Okay, zoom it in. So anyway, that is it for my ice cream. And I have a bunch of other packages, so we'll do more later. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.